white coats to the chosen two representatives from this class who will come and collect it on behalf of the class from the chief guest. And I would also request that everybody please to stand up. Begin with the proceedings straight away. I would request our students to welcome our chief guest of the day, our founder, president, board of governors, Mr. Tumbe Moideen, by presenting him with a floral bouquet. Give it up to the students. Welcome, sir. Welcome to this white coat ceremony. And also we'd like to welcome our provost, Professor Geeta Ashok-Raj. Welcome, ma'am. Of DMD students, may I request Mr. Muhammad Omar to come and recite from Holy Quran.
Similarly, through the white coat ceremony, medical schools demonstrate their commitment to humanism and professionalism to students and to the medical community at large. The white coat serves as the preeminent symbol of health professionals. Many patients view the coat as a cloak of compassion and a symbol of the caring and the hope they expect to receive from all members of the healthcare team. Today's ceremony marks a rite of passage to welcome you all as you are about to enter your chosen profession. The cloaking with the white coat, the mantle of the health profession, signifies the belief that is being placed on your ability to carry out the noble tradition of delivering health care. It is a gift of faith and confidence personally placed on you as students by individuals invited for the occasion, and also who represent the value system of the school and the new profession you are about to enter as students. The white coat of the health professionals signifies that the wearer is a special human being who is worthy of respect and trust. You will see hundreds of patients during your education over the following 6 years. During this period, you will soon realize that absolute strangers who would certainly not have noticed you yesterday will reveal secrets to you, some so closely held that they are not shared even with their own loved ones. Even your family members and friends will begin to view you differently and seek your advice and guidance to address their health problems. Today begins a whole new chapter in your life that will forever change who each of you will become. Make the most of this opportunity, learn all you can as you owe it to those who place their lives in your hands, and find time to enjoy the process as well. May you wear the white coat with humility and enthusiasm. Believe in yourselves, follow your hearts, and reach for the stars. Ultimately, my hope is that you will put to use all of your unique talents and interests for the benefit of your patients and for the professions of dentistry. I welcome you to the profession.
Ladies and gentlemen, now I'm going to read out the names of the representatives who will come and collect the white coats through the hands of our chief guest. Ms. Nada Saleh Abdullah Buddha Alawali to come on stage, please. I request Mr. Jamal Adam Abdullah Hussain Muhammad Al-Marzouki to come on stage. These two students, by receiving the white coat, symbolizes that all of you have been conferred the white coat formally through the hands of our chief guest today. So, ladies and gentlemen, while I thank the chief guest for conferring the white coats and also the dean for being with us, may I request our
I will now administer PGMU Honour Code, and as I read it, I expect you to repeat after me. I acknowledge being a student of the Gulf Medical University, Ajman. As a part of this professional organization, I will persevere to fulfill my responsibilities, which would help in the preservation of my rights and freedom, to achieve a sense of trust, responsibility, commitment, honor, integrity, and professional behavior towards colleagues, mentors, and patients. I pledge to abide by the following. That I would never indulge in acts of misconduct which include cheating in an examination, plagiarism, and interference with another colleague's work. In addition, I shall not behave in an inappropriate or unethical manner with fellow colleagues and mentors, either on or off campus. That at all times I shall be compassionate, sensitive, and shall care for my patients to the best of my ability. I will henceforth maintain confidentiality and conduct myself with unquestionable integrity in all my professional relations. I will at all times keep in mind the power of good conduct and cooperation between the various healthcare professions. I pledge to work hand in hand with physicians and members of other healthcare professions. I will respect their contribution and their views related to patient care, and strive to realize the collective commitment required to heal and comfort in multidisciplinary patient care. I will always seek to learn and gain knowledge from the experience of my mentors. May I never forget that medical education is a privilege, and that I have been entrusted with the well-being of patients, and that it is my responsibility to learn from each passing day of my career.
Ito na.